Hey, hi all. So in this video, we will see one error that mostly occurs when we create stock transfer order. So let's say I have done all configuration and I'm trying to create purchase order for stock transfer order. That is account assign account document type is UB, and then I have selected my supplying plant and rest all details like purchasing group, company code, material, plant. So you may see one error, this error. So not possible to determine shipping data for XYZ material. So in this case, you will see this error and how to get or read this. So note this, it's about material shipping data and not about customer or plant as a customer. So in this case, how we will get rid of this error? So there is one SAP note or KBA available for this. So this note actually speak about this error. So in case if I have this error, we can go with resolution of this KBA. So KBA number is this 2931674, and it doesn't matter. It's for almost all version of SAP, so it's not specific or limited to any version. So yeah, in case you are facing this error, then you can see what are the symptoms. So shipping data is not coming for material, or it's giving error, not possible to determine XYZ material with this error code message number 06280. So these are the symptoms and cause is given here, and what will be the resolution. So for resolution, we will go on this path. We can open our transaction SPRO, then we can go to this path and we can correct the configuration there. So let's see it in system. So I will close this. Okay, I will open another tab, then go in SPRO or SIMG. I will go directly with SIMG. Then go into the sales and distribution, then it's under billing, then billing documents, and what is next path as per SAP note. So it's under, sorry, it's intercompany billing, not billing document. So here it's intercompany billing, and then there is assign organizational unit by plants. So where it is, this option. So execute it, then select first option here, as we don't have external plants here. So what is your sending and receiving plants? So depending on that, uh, here these are the two. So we need to check this configuration in particular. So for both plant, so what is my, if my sales area is right, that is my sales organization 0001 for both plant, distribution channel is right, then division. So in my case, division is not the one that I have used in material. So for example, if I go in my material, I need to select sales view. So for that, I need to give this. So yeah, so this. But while selecting material, I have given my division as a 10 and not 01. So you must know what division you have given while maintaining material. So in my case, I have given division as a 10, and it's not matching with the material, and that's why I'm getting this error. So I will save this. Now again, if I go in my system in purchase order, So I will rerun this because sometime if you want rerun transaction, system still gives an error even after configuring the things right way. So I will go in system and I will try to rerun. So just giving required details here. Oh, sorry, plant will be 002. Sending and receiving plant will not be the same. And supplier is, oh sorry, document type also need to be selected. Yeah, now it seems right. Okay, so see, now that particular error has been gone about this material shipping data is not coming. So yeah, this is the way we can solve this error. So you must know this SAP KBA or not, that helps to solve this error. So error is like this: not possible to determine shipping data for material XYZ, whatever is your material. So that's it to solve this error. Thank you.